Hello everyone. This is in continuation to solving of CMA Foundation June 2024 question paper of Business Mathematics and Statistics. This is part 2. Question number 11. If 300 to the power of 8 is equal to 65.61 multiplied by 10 to the power of x, then find the value of x. So first of all, we will write this 300 as 3 multiplied by 100 to the power of 8. Here we will write this 65.61 as 6561 divided by 100 multiplied by 10 to the power of x. That is the first step. Then we will split this as 3 to the power of 8 multiplied by 100 can be written as 10 square to the power of 8. Then this 6561 we will factorize. First we can divide it by 3. 3 2s are, 3 1s are, 3 8s are, 24 means 3 7s are, then 3 7, 3 2s are 6, 27 means 9, so 3 2s are 6, 4, 3, 3, 8, 1, 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So we can count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 3 to the power of 8. And then this 100 we can write it as, this is multiplied by 10 to the power of x. 100 we can write it as 10 square, which means we can cancel both sides 3 to the power of 8. So we will have now 10 power 16 is equal to 10 to the power of x minus 2. Base is common in left-hand side and right-hand side, which means we can equate the indices. So 6 is equal to x minus 2, which means x is 8. I think I made a mistake. This is not 6, this is 16, sorry. So 18. So the option is C. Next question, 12th question. If 3 to the power of x minus y is equal to 27 and 3 to the power of x plus y equal to 243, then x is equal to what? First of all, the first equation, 3 power x minus y equal to 27 can be written as 3 cube, which means we can equate the indices because base is common. X minus y equal to 3, call this as equation 1. Second equation, 3 power x plus y. 243 can be written as 3 to the power of 5. So this implies that x plus y equal to 5 because again base is common. Call it as equation 2. Now from this we can say 1 plus 2 equations we will add. We'll get to 2x is equal to 8, which means x is equal to 4. So option is C. Now next one. If logarithm of x, this is having base 2, here base 3, here base 2, is equal to 0, then x is what? So first of all, we can write this as log x equal to 0. This is to the base 2, this is to the base 3, this is to the base 2. Considering this first, I can write this as 2 power 0 is equal to logarithm of so that is 2. First step is okay. Then logarithm of 3, logarithm of x2. So now we can write this 3 power 1 is equal to logarithm of x to the base 2. Now this is nothing but 3. Again we can say x is equal to 2 cube, which is 8. That means option A is the right option. Next, LCM of 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 5 factorial. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2. 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. into 1 everywhere. So which means the LCM will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 120. So option C will be the right option. Let us move on to the next question. Polygon of n sides has 2 diagonals. The value of n is what? Polygon with n sides has n into n minus 3 divided by 2 diagonals. Therefore, we can equate n into n minus 3 by 2 to the number of diagonals. That is 2 diagonals. Cross multiplying, we get n into n cube, n minus 3 equal to 4, which means n square minus 3n minus 4 equal to 0. So that becomes a quadratic equation. So we can split this as n square minus 4n plus n minus 4 equal to 0. Now common in the first two terms is n minus 4 plus n minus 4 equal to 0, which means n minus 4 times n plus 1 equal to 0. Number of sides cannot be negative. So here let us say n equal to 4 comma minus 1, but minus 1 is not applicable because number of sides cannot be negative. So therefore n is equal to 4. Option A. Express 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 in factorial notation. We will write it in reverse. 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. If I have to write it in factorial notation, I will have to extend it to 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Whatever I multiplied in the numerator, I should do it in the denominator. So the numerator becomes 9 factorial, denominator becomes 4 factorial. That means our option is C. Next one, if the product of the roots of ax square plus 2x plus 6 equal to 0 is 3, then the sum of the roots is what? So product of the roots is given as 3, which means C by A is equal to 3. Here C is, this is our ax square, this is compared with bx, this is compared with C. So this C is nothing but 6 by A, which means our A is 6 by 3, which is 2. This is product of the, this is A value. Sum of the roots will be minus B by A. Minus B means minus 2. By A means 2, which means negative 1. So option B. Then 18th question. If the equation, so again, we will have this as ax square plus bx plus c. This entire thing is c. Has 2 equal roots. If it is equal roots means b square minus 4ac should be 0. B square is negative p plus 4 the whole square. This let us equate it to b square equal to 4ac. That is equal to 4 into 4ac. A is here 1, c is 2p plus 5. So this left hand side will be p square plus 16 plus 8p. Right hand side becomes 8p plus 20. 8p can be cancelled on both sides. We will have now p square is equal to 20 minus 16, which is 4. That means p will be plus or minus square root of 4, which is plus or minus 2. So option D is the right option. Next question. A bottle manufacturing company manufactures and sells bottles. Each bottle costs rupees 40 to make, and the company's fixed cost is rupees 5,000. The price function is given by p of x equal to 300 minus 2x, then the profit maximizing output is what? So first of all, let us find out the revenue of x. Revenue part, R of x equal to x multiplied by P of x, means quantity multiplied by the price. That is equal to x times 300 minus 2x. So R of x becomes 300x minus 2x squared. Now, marginal revenue will be derivative of total revenue. That will be 300 minus 4x. Then the cost function, fixed cost is given as 5,000. 40 rupees is the variable cost. So 40 times, that is for per unit. So 40 times x, that will be your variable cost. So this is your total cost, which means marginal cost is d of c of x by dx will be 0 plus 40. For profit maximizing output, we will equate marginal revenue to marginal cost. For profit maximizing output, MR will be equated to MC. That means 300 minus 4x will be equated to 40. That means 300 minus 40 equal to 4x, which is 260 equal to 4x. That means x is equal to 260 divided by 4. That will give you 65. Option is A. 20th question. If y is equal to 2x plus 3 to the power of 4, then dy by dx. So we have to apply chain rule here. So first we will differentiate 2x plus 3 the whole power 4 as it is, 4 times 2x plus 3. Then we go inside 2x if I differentiate it is 2, 3 if I differentiate it is 0. So we get 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 into 4 is 8. Sorry, here it is to the cube. 4, 2x plus 3 to the cube. So finally we get 8 times 2x plus 3 the whole cube, which means option B is the right option.